Jakarta. Um, the ability of grade 8 students of junior high school in Indonesia for completing non-routine problems, mathematical problem, is weak, but relatively well in resolving questions about the facts and procedures. This based on TIMSS test in 2011, and this is the problem that we have uh, to go through research. And mathematics needs to be given to equip students with the ability to think, the ability of creative thinking. Peraturan Menteri Pendidikan 2006, this is our Ministry of Education, and RME is Realistic Mathematics Education. Realistic mathematics education will facilitate students in blending concepts and enhance students' mathematical creative thinking abilities as displayed mapped into the real figure that can be imagined. To increase the effectiveness of realistic mathematics teaching and learning, we can use tools such as ICT. In R&D or realistic mathematics education, usually using teacher use this RME in elementary school. In elementary school, students have realistic in uh, to study or studying mathematics. But in junior high school, we can use this ICT. The use of ICT in the learning process that uses realistic mathematics education is to help realize the real problem or issue in the minds of students to the learning process so that the students can imagine with a realistic approach to learning mathematics run more effectively. The use of ICT can also increase the child child's motivation to learn because it presents math more interesting. As we can see this picture, that there are 3 burgers and 2 lemon ice, 8,500 rupiah, 1 burger and 2 ice, 5,500 rupiah. So when Rini bought one glass and Susie bought 1 burger and 1 glass ice, how many? How much they have to pay? And this is the other. Students' mathematical creative thinking. Creativity is the ability to produce a composition, product, or idea of what is essentially an unknown author. It can be imaginative activities which include the formation of a new pattern and combined information derived from previous experience and long-standing relationship transplant to a new situation and possible for the formation of not only covers the establishment of sheer fantasy. Students' creative thinking ability can be measured by the fulfillment of indicators of the ability to think creatively, while the indicators from smooth or fluent thinking, flexibility, originality or novelty, and detail or elaboration. There are levels in mathematical creative thinking abilities. Level 4, a person is very creative if he or she was able to demonstrate proficiency or fluency. Flexibility and novelty, or just show flexibility and novelty in solving problems or asking. Level 3. A person is creative if he or she was able to show proficiency or fluency and novelty, or shows fluency and flexibility in solving a problem. Level 2. A person is creative enough if he or she was able to show it or show flexibility and novelty alone. A person said to be less creative when he or she was only able to demonstrate proficiency or fluency only in solving mathematical problems.